By taking advantage of the opportunities available in certain sections, you can easily earn up to $14,000 a month by uploading short videos. You don't need to worry about filming and recording videos anymore, because in this video I will show you exactly how you can do this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. The release of the last short version of YouTube has launched a new feature of YouTube Shorts designed to compete with TikTok and Instagram circles. It's no surprise that YouTube decided to go with this trend. This is a lucrative opportunity to make money. Don't miss out on content creation, and I'm here to help you make money fast with YouTube Shorts. It's no wonder why content creators are looking for ways to monetize their cities, and as we can see it here, Google says it will pay 45% of net revenue from YouTube. Money from creators for shorts by watching and following the steps in this video. You have an incredible opportunity to increase your saving by creating content on YouTube Shorts with a few hours a month, and you can easily pay $14,000 to your saving accounts. And the power of this platform is amazing at the potential it has to change your financial situation. To get to know YouTube Short, search hashtags. More than 20 million channels are already effective. Before we start creating a YouTube Short shelf, let's take a look at what the YouTube Short shelf has to offer. Because you can see that it doesn't take much to create an interesting 60-second video with over 500 million video already. The best time to show you marked with a wide variety of content type, including animal videos and more. This platform serves the interests of millions of people around the world. It's no wonder it's become a popular destination for entertainment, so learn unique and creative idea for your YouTube. Create your own channel. To start, I will show you the best niche. Just search about shorts and cute dogs, and you'll be brought to a fun place. I know you'll agree that dogs are definitely the best. The world's most popular pets come in all shapes and size, but it's not just their physical appearance that makes them popular with us. Many dogs have a sense of humor that makes us laugh out loud. Now let's check this channel. The name of the channel is Formula 60. With the entering videos on this channel, it's no wonder why they've become so popular and managed to attract viewers who can't seem to get enough of these big cute huskies watching these videos. Pro mobs one of them right after the Formula gained 61 million subscribers. Looking at their popular short shelf, which has been viewed more than 4 million, 3.5 million, and 1 million times respectively, I will receive it. The success of Social Blade shows that this channel was created on March 18, 2011. This channel is very successful with annual income of more than 160,000 and monthly income of more than 12,000, and it's also very popular among viewers as it average 500,000 views with more than believe hundreds of thousands of people every day. If you follow the steps he's going to teach you, you're sure to get amazing results. Do you also want to create a channel? Like, I will help you and show you the best place. Let's take a look at the TikTok video that became an instant hit among the youth and teenagers because of its user-friendly design. People can easily create videos to share and view with their friends on this platform. It's a great platform to showcase your passion, human, animal, or anything else. Is a great example of this Among Us with 8+ million like and 3,500,000 followers. Husky has currently captured the hearts and minds of millions of people around the world. Below this, how amazing it is. We have an overview of interesting clips. Here, when we click, for example, this video shows the full content that is presented. This is just a video showing the life of a husky. Also, there we just want to lay down, which happens to me too. This video has gained a lot of popularity, which shows that it has really attracted viewers, and I will show you how to make the most of this video to engage your audience. First, copy the URL of this video by clicking share and then using Google to find a software that you can download TikTok and remove the watermark. Software is there for the purpose. You have copied the video on TikTok. Before you use it, then pass this button to get an enable copy from the reference. You can find that file on your computer. Now it's time to start the fun. We want to make sure our video is unique. Luckily, CapCut and Canva are great tools to help edit videos without spending money. Let's use Canva for now. The excellent video creation tool allows you to quickly browse through its feature while also providing you with options to share your video in a great way. Here are a variety of mobile-friendly video templates so you can quickly find the best one. If you prefer to stand out from the crowd, just click the Create Mobile Video blank button and get started. Upload your horse video by dragging and dropping the file here and right click it to set as background video. After the video is finished, now the whole screen open with your video and you use your creative potential. You can differentiate your video and express yourself by combining visual tests and other elements. Don't be afraid to post unique ways to create something special with the canvas. You have access to a wide range of tools that you can choose from, different shapes, and organize it in your video, resize and change color according to your video design needs to give an eye-catching title. After it's ready, you can download it as a video and then upload it to your channel.